Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wambo Gitatui, and if it's your first time stopping by, please subscribe. And first things first, I'm gonna be applying that translucent powder under my eyes to catch the fallout because I've already done my face and my brows, and yeah, so I'm gonna apply that all over the part of my under eye. Then I'm gonna take a wet sponge that I used to do my face, and I'm gonna blend out the creased part of my eyelids, and I'm gonna take that lippy and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous because I've never done this before and I don't want to mess up. So yeah, I'm gonna apply on that part, then I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'm gonna blend it out off camera, and yes. Then I'm gonna take the brush again and I'm gonna blend out some more to try and get rid of the demarcation part. I mean the harsh lines a little bit. Then I'm gonna take that blue eyeshadow and I'm gonna take another blending brush, and yes. Then I'm gonna pack it on the part that I applied the lippy when the lip is still tacky. I'm not gonna wait until it's dry because I want when the lip is going to be tacky, the color is going to pop some more, so that's why I'm doing that. Then I'm not like dragging it, I'm just packing it on the lid. You can see the difference between the two lids before I did the other eye, and yeah, it really worked. Then I'm gonna take that other palette and I'm gonna take that orange shade and I'm gonna apply it on my crease. Is it my crease? Yes, that part. That's where I'm gonna be applying it. I'm gonna take that big old brush and that's what I'm gonna be using to apply that orange shade on my lid. That shade is not like really pigmented, but I'm gonna pack some more and more, like yeah, to come up to create some deeper shade. And guys, I realized when you just do your concealer and you don't like set it with powder, the colors or the pigments are really popping, like way better compared when you like set the lid. So this time I didn't do so, no wonder maybe the colors are showing really well. Guys, let's take some time to appreciate the combination of those colors. Like, they came out so well. Then I'm gonna go back with that blending brush and I'm gonna take that navy blue shade and I'm gonna apply at the outer corners of my lids to create some depth. And yes, I'm not like packing it, I'm taking a little bit of the shade and blending it out, then going back to the palette again and applying it some more. I'm not like packing it fast then blend it out later. No, I'm not doing that. Then I'm gonna go back with a big brush and I'm gonna blend out some more to make sure there are no harsh lines and to make sure every part of the lids is blended well. Then I'm gonna go back and take my broken palette. Guys, I love this palette. I bought it for only 200 bob at Dubois, and trust me, that palette is boom. Like, the colors are popping, the colors are so pigmented. Then I'm gonna take the flat brush and I'm gonna wet it with some setting spray, and I'm gonna use that to like cut a crease on my lid. And I'm not gonna use like a concealer, I'm just going to use the shade and the wet brush to cut the crease. And guys, have a look at that color. It's really pigmented, like it's so bomb. It's shimmery and perfecto. I'm so obsessed with this color. I'm literally obsessed with it. Then I'm gonna go back with my palette again, and I'm gonna go back with that navy blue shade, because when I did that shimmery blue, the shade was like covered up. So I'm gonna go back and blend out the outer corners to make sure there are no harsh lines, to create some really beautiful gradient. Then guys, I'm gonna take that clippy again and an angled brush, and I'm gonna play on that palette, and I'm gonna apply it under on my lower lash line. Yes, so I'm gonna apply it all over that part. I'm gonna try to make it as thin as possible. Yep. Then I'm going to go back with that palette and take that how do you call it, navy blue shade, and take that brush again. I realized this shade was too bright, and already the upper lid was the lid was really bright already, so I toned it down with that deep blue or navy blue shade to make it a little bit better. Then I'm gonna take that flat brush again, a different one, and I'm gonna take that orange shade, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did on my upper lid to my lower lash line. You can So sorry guys, I lost a clip where I did the other parts of my face, the highlighter, the eyeliner, and my lips. You can see my lips are so soft because my eyelids are really shouting. I decided to come up with a really soft look on my lips. And now guys, I'm doing my eyelashes. I'm applying the mascara, and I'm trying to create some volume because I don't have the false lashes. And yeah, I've been having a problem applying my lower lashes, but today they came out well. They had some respect for their mama. Anyway, so guys, I love this look. I'm falling in love with it. So guys, that's the look. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to wait, there's something to do. No, yeah, there. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can share this video with your friends and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this look and everything. And yeah, thanks guys for always supporting me. For those who haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the bell button next to subscribe. So the next to subscribe button, so you can get notifications whenever I post videos for you guys. And yeah, I love you so much. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Peace.